What?
This.
That's what you wanted? Hold on, you gotta start opening presents in a second, okay?
Let's look at Pop-Pop first.
We'll go wake up Pop-Pop. I think he's already woke.
Oh, Pop-Pop. Me too.
You like your bike, buddy?
Yeah.
Jordan, it's Uncle Brian.
Go get Uncle Brian.
Jordan.
Let's look at Uncle Brian. Uncle Brian. Uncle, there's a present under the tree. A present. It's a present. Uh-huh. We woke up. Merry Christmas.
Okay, so what's in your bikes? We're gonna start opening your gifts from Santa. Wanna open this one together? Look, Jenna. This is from Santa from both of you.
Yeah. Mine?
Both of yours.
Oh.
Jordan, lumber.
Look.
It has two sides. You get one side, Purple gets the other. Oh.
Papa, look here.
You like it? You can color.
Well, he love that bike,
You
yo.
can draw.
You can't drive it in here. You gotta go outside with it.
I love this one.
That's Burbo's side. This is your side right here.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Move the bike out the way so she can open.
Pull
They're
that
stocking
bike.
stuffers. Check them out.
Here. Put the bikes in the kitchen.
This one.
We're gonna put the bikes in the kitchen.
Okay. This one right here. Want to open this one? It's from Kelly and Aunt May.
Jordan got this one.
That's Jordan's.
Jordan?
That's Jordan's.
Where's mine?
They're all right here, sweetie. All right here in this corner. Open them. I'll put your bikes in the kitchen, okay? Oh, open